Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make lined paper in Canva. This is a great way to create custom notebooks, worksheets, or printable pages. Let's get started. On the Canva editing dashboard, this is our page, and we want to make it look like a notebook, worksheet, or printable page. All we have to do is click on Elements and type Paperline to search for Paperline graphics. We can see there are a variety of paper lines to choose from. Let's pick a free one. We'll use this one as our example. Once we add it to the page, we just need to resize and match it to fit the page. Adjust it as needed until it looks right. This lets us design lined paper using shapes, lines, and spacing tools in Canva. We can customize the layout, adjust line spacing, and create clean printable designs for personal or professional use. Once we're happy with the layout, we can add text to the page if we want. We can make it look even more like real paper by adding some text on the lines. And that's how we make lined paper in Canva. With this simple method, we can create neat, customized pages for any purpose.